Now we are going to see Roman letter 1. That is find the radian measure. You are given degree measurement. You are going to find the radian measure. We know that formula for finding 1 degree is pi by 180 radian. Is it not? If you want to find for 30 degree, 1 degree is this, not 30 degree, 30 into pi by 180 radian. In every line you should write radian. Okay, if you multiply this, you will get 3, 1, 3 is 6, pi by 6 radian is the answer for 30 degree. 30 degree is equal to pi by 6 radian. Similarly, you can find the remaining answer. See, every time you should write the formula. Instead of 1 degree, you can write pi by 180 radian. Okay, so for 135 degree, what will be the answer? Pi by 180 into 135 radian. You must write it. Okay. If you cancel this, what will be the answer? Cancel and get the answer. Now, I am going to cancel this with the 5. 2 5s are 10. 3 7 5s are 35. Here 5 3 5s are 6 5s are. Again possible to cancel it by 9. 3 9s are 4 9s are. So 3 pi by 4 is the answer. Instead of 135 degree, you can write it. Similarly, you try to get the answer. For negative numbers, there is no change. You will get the answer along with the minus. That's all. So 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. Every time you must write it. For minus 205 degree, pi by 180 into minus 205. Okay, if you cancel this, minus 41 divided by 36. You cannot, reduce more than this. Minus 41 pi by 36 radian is the answer. For what? Minus 205 degree. Okay, similarly for 150 degree, what about the answer? 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. Is it not? Then for 150 degree, what will be the answer? 150 should be multiplied with this. 0 cancel. 5 3s are 6 3s are 5 pi by 6 radian is the answer. You don't fail to write this radian in every line. Each and every line radians. Here also radians. Okay, here also 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. 330 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian should be multiplied with this. 11 times 6 times. 11 pi by 6 radian is the answer for 330 degree. Here for 150 degree. Okay. Shall we move to the next Roman letter now? Look at the second Roman letter, children. Find a degree measure here. First question is given in radian. You are going to find in degree. Okay, pi by 3 radian is a question to you. We know that the formula for 1 radian. Converting 1 radian into degree measure. We know that formula 180 by pi. 180 by pi degree. Don't forget to write it degree. Okay. Now you are going to find the radian measure for pi by 3. What is the degree measurement? If it is for 1 degree, then pi by 3 ki 1 radian ki iduna, appo pi by 3 ki into 180 by pi into pi by 3. If you cancel this and if you cancel this, you will get 60 degree as the answer. Okay, similarly for the remaining questions, the same concept only 180 by pi. Okay, 180 by pi degree should be multiplied with all the questions so that you will get the required answer. See, this 1 radian is nothing but 180 by pi degree. Okay, so for pi by 9 radian, what is the answer? 180 by pi into pi by 9 in degree. Pi cancel 20. Degree is the answer. Okay, similarly for the third subdivision, what is the answer? 1 radian. Look here children, third question. 2 pi by 5 radian is the question. 1 radian, we know that formula. If you multiply 2 pi by 5 degree, you should write pi cancel, 5 also cancel 36 times. 2 into 36 is 72 degree. For 7 pi by 3, what is the degree measurement? You are going to find. Same formula again you are going to write as 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degree. 7 pi by 3 radian is equal to what? 180 by pi into 7 pi by 3. Pi cancel. This is for that 60 times 6 sevens are 420 degree is the answer. For 10 pi by 9 radians, what is the degree measurement? Again you must write the formula. 1 radian is 180 by pi degree. Then 10 pi by 9 radian is equal to 180 by pi into 10 pi by 9 degree measurement. If you cancel this pi, if you cancel this for 2 times, 20, and you will get 200 degree as the answer. Clear everybody? So for every problem you must write the formula, then definitely you will get the correct answer. Look at the question, third question. This is wave problem type. Look at the question carefully. What must be the radius of the circular running path? You are asked to find a radius. So this is find radius of the circular path around which an athlete must run 5 times in order to describe 1 kilometer. So around the circular path the athlete is running for 5 times, so that it describes 1 kilometer. 5 times அவர் ஓடுனார்னா அது எவ்வளோ டிஸ்டன்ஸை கவர் பண்ணுதுன்னா 1 கிலோமீட்டர் கவர் பண்ணுது. ஸோ distance covered by the athlete around the circular path is 1 kilometer. Okay. Circular path, we know that circular path around enough, that is nothing but the circumference. Is it not? So circumference of the circle is 2 pi r units. Is it not? This is 2 pi r units. So how many times the circumference he is covering? 5 times. So 5 into 2 pi r, number of rotations. One more data you can write here, number of rotations. How many times? 5 times he is running. Okay va? So 5 times the circumference of the circle, 5 times the circumference of the circle is nothing but 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer we can convert as meter, 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, we all know that. So 1000. Now we are going to simplify this. 5 2s are 10, 22 by 7 into r into 10 is equal to 1000. You can reciprocal everything so that you will get the answer for radius. 7 by 10 into 22. You use your rough column for finding the answers. This can be cancelled, and which is also cancelled 11 times. This is 50 times. 5 7s are 35 divided by 11 will give you the answer. 3 times 33, balance 2, 1 time 11, 9, 90, 8 11s are 88, balance 2. Again if you join on 0, 1 time. Again this gives you 11, again balance is 9, again 8 times. So the answer is 31.818, which is approximately equivalent to 82 meter. The answer is along with the meter only, so you should write the radius of the circular path as 31.82 meter. Is it clear? Do you understand the concept? See, one athlete is running the circular path for 5 times. One time we know that circular path circumference is 2 pi r. If he runs for 5 times, 5 times is equal to, it covers the distance of 1 kilometer, it is given in the question. 1 kilometer is nothing but 1000 meter. Okay, we convert here itself. Number of rotations 5, distance covered is 1000 meter, and we are going to continue the problem by taking this left hand side as 5 into 2 pi r. Just circumference means 2 pi r. Since the wave problem gives the data that is 5 times the circumference is equal to 1 kilometer, that is 1000 meter. If you simplify, you will get the answer for radius. Use rough column for division, children. You will not be allowed to use calci. Definitely you should work out and give the answer like this. Is it clear?